Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris. In this channel, we make money online. We do crypto and stocks. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to convert your cryptocurrencies into your fiat currency. And in my case, it is South African rands. So without wasting time, let's go to my laptop. So the first thing is you do need to create your account, get verified, and the link will be on the video description. If you're watching from TikTok, on my link tree. So you will see the screen and you click wallet. We need to withdraw from here into our bank account, but then the money is in USDT. We have to click sell. So we go to the three dots and trade. Trading, we are selling our USDT to our South African rand. So I'm selling everything and I'm just going to withdraw even the money that was there before. So now the money, when you click confirm, you're actually saying you are fine with the conversion and the money will be changed into your fiat currency. So do remember, if you're not in South Africa, it will be your currency. So now that the money is on South African rands, the next thing I'm going to click three dots again, then I'll be able to withdraw this amount. So let's go back and click those three dots and click withdraw. So can you see? Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.